To fix a washing machine leaking when not in use. First, identify the source of the leak. Common causes include a faulty water inlet valve, clogged drain pump filter, or loose connections. Start by checking the water supply lines for any signs of moisture or water droplets. If you find any, tighten the connections or replace the lines if they are damaged. Next, inspect the drain pump filter for blockages. Remove any debris or lint that may be causing the leak. If the filter is damaged, replace it with a new one. Also, check the drain hose for any kinks or blockages and ensure it is properly connected to the washing machine and the drain pipe. Another possible cause of the leak is a faulty water inlet valve. If the valve is not closing properly, water may continue to flow into the washing machine even when it is not in use. To fix this, you may need to replace the valve or adjust its settings. Additionally, check the washing machine's tub gasket and seals for any signs of wear or damage. If you find any, replace them with new ones to prevent future leaks. To prevent leaks in the future, regularly check and maintain your washing machine. This includes checking the water supply lines, drain pump filter, and drain hose for any signs of damage or blockages. Also, ensure the washing machine is properly leveled and installed to prevent any stress on the hoses and connections. By following these steps, you can identify and fix the source of the leak and prevent future leaks from occurring. Remember to always turn off the water supply to the washing machine before attempting any repairs. And consult a professional if you are not comfortable with DIY repairs. Regular maintenance and inspections can help extend the life of your washing machine and prevent costly repairs.